It's Christmas Day and I am just so excited to open my gift from my husband. A quick background story. Took me forever to decide what gift I would like to have for Christmas, so I finally decided, and here you go. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Magical box. I was choosing between Tory Burch Fleming. Pochette Métis is unfortunately not available. What was the other one? Pochette Métis. And I was also looking at the Gucci bag and also the Clooney BB from Louis Vuitton. But yeah, I was asking for my husband's opinion, and then he said that this is the bag that actually fits me. So there it is. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton bag. So let's see what's inside. Oh, the very beautiful Vavin PM. It's amazing. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Ta-da! So what I really like about this bag is, actually there are not many people who made a review about this bag. What I really like about this bag is it's very spacious. See, you can put a lot of stuff inside. Ta-da! And it's very, very convenient to hold, right? So you can do it with this. So you can use it for formal occasion, for casual, because you can also do a crossbody bag like this. So, but for now I'm just gonna wear it. Yes. You like it? Pretty. That's it. And I'm done with my unboxing.